Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a marketing method that is often overlooked. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 20 years. Been doing this full time since 2018. And I have a true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So if you saw my video yesterday, or maybe you saw one of my posts on Facebook or YouTube, I mentioned that I mailed out 550 pieces of mail. All right, and these are envelopes that have a letter in them that lead to one of my capture pages. Okay, I'm involved in my top two businesses this year are Quicksilver and then Home Business Academy. Okay, so I do letters that go to one of these two capture pages. All right, and then the capture page collects the leads if the person's interested, takes them to a sales page, and then has email follow-ups. So basically the only thing that I have to worry about is getting leads over to my capture pages. And one thing that I do, I love YouTube and I love Facebook. Those are the free marketing methods that I use, and they work great. You know, I get a lot of leads and signups using these two social media methods. But one thing that is often overlooked is direct mail, okay? So everybody's online trying to fight for views and clicks and likes and all that stuff. And I do direct mail, all right? So I mailed out 550 pieces of mail yesterday. I got another 100 pieces going out today. And I'm consistently mailing out letters with my opportunities in them to opportunity seekers because it works. Direct mail has been around for a long time, okay? Well over 100 years. It's not going anywhere, and people actually see the mail, right? We always have like a 5%, like 5% of the people don't get their mail because they say 5% of the population's always moving. So you might mail out, you're gonna get some nixies, you're gonna get returns. You know, sometimes people are, unfortunately, have passed away. Sometimes they just don't live there anymore, whatever the case may be. But 95% of all the mailings that I send out, the people actually see the mail. Unlike an email that you send out and you hope and pray that people will see it. Because I can tell you folks, my inbox gets loaded with BS emails. All right, all trying to sell me something. I didn't ask for them, and it just all the time. Even in our soap company's email inbox, it's just getting really bad. More and more every day, just emails on people trying to sell you stuff, and I just don't like it. So while people are online trying to get their emails open and buying, clicks, but you don't know where the clicks are coming from, I'm sending out a personalized letter with my opportunities in them to people who are looking for a better way. All right? And it just works. It just works. Direct mail works. Okay? It's not going anywhere. AI is not going to take it over. In fact, AI is helping people in direct mail because now you can write your sales copy. You can ask AI if your sales copy is good or not and have it critiqued. You don't have to be studying sales copy like you did years ago, just a few years ago. You can have ChatGPT or whatever AI you use. I use the AI inside Home Business Academy. In my opinion, it's better than ChatGPT. And have it written for you. So AI is making it easier for people who do direct mail. And I just get really good results when I do it because I'm sending my opportunity to people who have requested more information about working from home, about home-based business opportunities. All right, and I have several lead sources. And my top lead source, they get over 30,000, they generate over 30,000 leads a month. So, you have plenty of there's plenty of leads to go around for everybody. It's just that most people don't think about doing direct mail. Most people don't want to put together envelopes and pay for postage and all that stuff. But if you have great opportunities like I do, like with Quicksilver and HBA, all you need is a couple sales, and you're gonna get more than your money back. Okay, because when you join me, you're gonna get my resources that I use, where I get my postage, where I get my, everything, how I do everything, where I get my leads, my postage, my supplies. I do everything in-house. I print everything at my home office. Okay, and like I said, I put these together last night, another 100, and I'm just consistently sending out mail to people looking for opportunities. And this is how I build my mailbox money empire. Yes, I do get views and leads and signups through Facebook and YouTube. All right, I love Facebook and YouTube, but I get better results doing direct mail. And I'm not afraid to spend the money to send these out, because I know once you do this long enough, you'll know that what your return on your investment, what you can expect. There's no guarantee, but you can, what you can expect. And I know that I am making more, I'm getting a good return on my investment, okay? And this is how you can scale up really quickly, because like I said, you're mailing to people who are looking for ways to earn from home. They're looking for opportunities. And in my opinion, Quicksilver and HBA are the top two opportunities out there, period. All right, one of them, you're stacking precious metals, tangible assets that are going to continue to go up in value. And the other one is just a community that it's a family that you cannot get anywhere else. Like-minded people, the tools we get, everything you need, a complete business in a box to build an empire, okay? So that is what I do. And in my opinion, consistency beats shiny object syndrome. All right, because I just see it all the time. People are in my inbox. Russ, join me in this. Direct messaging me. Russ, look at this. You got to join this. Please join me in this. And years ago, I would have said, yes, I joined everything. I was jumping from program to program to program. And it wasn't until I finally started staying consistent with one program that I started seeing results that eventually led me to be able to quit my 9-to-5 job and work for myself full time. And then my wife and I bought a business, and so it's just like, you're never going to get anywhere jumping program to program to program, ever. You might make a little bit of money here, you might make a little bit of money there, but it's never going to be enough to quit your 9-to-5 job. Now, if you stay consistent and show up every day and take massive action, you stand a better chance of being able to replace your income at some point. All right. And again, I can't guarantee anything. It's totally dependent on your work ethic. But I know that the people who join me and show up every day and take action and stay consistent and don't give up, those are the people that get results. All right. Because small actions compound over time. So I might not get, so when I put these in the mail, that'll be 650 pieces of mail going out in the last 2 days. I might not get sales right away from that. But I've had people who have told me that my letter was sitting on their desk for 6 months before they joined. All right. I look at these as little, it's like planting a tree, little seeds to my money tree, to my mailbox money empire tree. Every little letter is a little seed that I'm just sending out, and I'm planting it. Some people respond right away, but oftentimes it takes a little while for the seed to grow, and that's fine by me. It's fine by me. So if you're tired of the 9-to-5, there's definitely other options out there. If you're tired of, buying clicks that are useless, or spending money on Facebook ads where you're not getting a return on your investment, or you're just tired of the whole social media thing, direct mail is definitely something to look into. It does cost money, but in my opinion, it's money well spent, especially when you do it exactly like I do it. And like I said, when you join me in any of my opportunities, you will get all of my resources. All right. You'll get my letter template. You'll get over 80 different places that you can share these opportunities online. And then you'll get all my direct mail resources as well, and my direct contact information, so you can reach out to me anytime you have any questions or need any help. All right. So I just wanted to talk to you about that, because everyone is fighting for attention online. And while I do believe in, marketing online, people often overlook direct mail. All right. And it just works. It works if you work it. Okay. So if you have any questions about any of this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. And another thing is, there's definitely less competition with direct mail. All right. Most people don't do direct mail. Most people don't want to take the time to put an address label on an envelope and a return address label and a stamp and tri-fold the letters and all that. You know, you can mail out postcards if you want to keep it simple. But I found, I've been doing this long enough now that I find, you know, sending out a personalized email or a personalized letter gets far better results than sending out a generic postcard. All right, that's just in my experience. So it's just a really great way to get leads into your business. All right, but anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.